Hey guys, my name is Vince. I'm here with Pinkyparadise to show you how to properly apply some sclera lenses. Now, sclera lenses are the ones that cover your eye completely, give you the full effect, full fantasy for your moment. You're welcome. For me, these lenses are very versatile because you can use them for beauty makeup, you can use them for special effects, you can use them for shopping at your local mall for some Christmas presents, you know, giving the children their life and maybe screaming for their life, but you know, like, I like them that much. So I'm going to be putting on two lenses for you guys today, and I'm going to go extra slow just so everyone can see exactly what I'm doing, because once you're like used to it, you just slide them right in and you're good to go like in 2.5 seconds. I'm serious. The first lenses I'm going to be applying are called the Princess Pinky Black Sclera Lenses. I use these quite a lot on my channel because they're just completely blacked out eyes, and I feel like they work for pretty much every single look. One thing to always remember when you're putting in contacts is to have clean fingers. So go ahead and wash your phalanges, or what normal people just say, hands. Wash your hands. And once you've done that, I like to put a couple drops of some eye lubricant drop. And this is just gonna ensure that your eye is going to be moisturized from the inside underneath the lens. I gently pull the eye down, and I place the lens and kind of like move it upward so that it goes underneath this eyelid. And then once I know it's on over here, you can let your eyelid go, your bottom eyelid, and you can blink a couple times. It's okay to tear up. I think these are so pretty. Is that weird? Is it weird to think that these are pretty? I don't know. It just makes me feel like an alien. The removal process is also very easy, probably easier than putting them in, I would think. So basically what you do first is you take out the lens, pinch it, be careful. That's just how I take them out. I like to use the solution just to rinse the lens itself, just to disinfect it and clean it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how I put on my sclera lenses, and hopefully you learned something from this video. Be sure to please protect your eyes and be safe with eye care. Make sure that you are consulting an eye doctor as well if you have any issues with sight, contacts, and take the safety precautions always when you are dealing with eye products or anything around your eyes. That's just a little disclaimer because it's very important and sight is important, so, you know, be safe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.